Pakistan is set to receive doses of Indian-made vaccine under the United Gavi Alliance. Gavi, or Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, is a public-private global health partnership to increase access to immunization in poor countries. A Gavi spokesperson told NDTV, and I quote, that Pakistan is one of the 92 lower-income economies eligible for support under the COVAX Gavi Advance Market Commitment vaccination drive, and 14.64 million doses of Covishield developed by Serum Institute of India have been allotted to Pakistan between February and May 2021. Sukirti now joins us with all the latest. Sukirti, now this is of course because of a sort of an alliance that Pakistan has got Indian-made vaccine. Should the need be, what are you hearing? Just like India has helped every other country with vaccination, would India be willing to share the vaccines with Pakistan?
Well, Sanket, at the moment, this is not a bilateral agreement or a country-to-country agreement between India and Pakistan in terms of sharing vaccines. But because Pakistan is among those 92 low-income countries with which Gavi had a tie-up in terms of providing vaccines to them. So 14.64 million doses of Covishield at least, which have been developed by the Serum Institute of India, will be supplied to Pakistan between February to May 2021. That is the stock, at least the first set of stocks that has been assigned for them. But as far as other separate agreements are concerned, whether there are going to be any commercial arrangements between Bharat Biotech and Pakistan or the Serum Institute of India as well as Pakistan, those information we are still awaiting. There's no clarity on whether those separate commercial agreements may happen or the Indian government may get into the kind of vaccine diplomacy, as you mentioned, that has been happening so far. But at least at the moment, Pakistan will be getting India-made vaccines due to the Gavi alliance agreement that is already there in place. But any more vaccines, whether those will be supplied or not because of the Indian government, that we are still awaiting clarity on this.
That's right. Sukirti, many thanks for joining us. And as part of the Vaccine Maitri program, I think it's very clear and we must very safely can assume that if for humanitarian grounds, if Pakistan were to ask India, I'm sure India will not say no on humanitarian grounds, because this is a great service that India is providing to all countries across the world.